So I'm making pizza from this recipe online. It requires no yeast or no baking soda. However, it gives me all the ingredients, but it doesn't tell me exactly how much to use. So this is going to be an interesting experience. So first, we start off with a little flour, and looking at the pictures, we need a little bit more. And then we should be good. I don't know if the picture looked like it needed a bit more. More. I mean, at the end of the day, it's better to have a sticky dough than no dough at all. Next, we need to add a little bit of salt. See, this is why I need a GoPro. So, right, okay, we can't do that with one hand. Next, we add, well, we've added salt, but next we add an undisclosed amount of water. Because obviously they didn't tell us. Let's hope that that works. And then we just start to knead it, apparently. I'm already telling that this is not enough water. Although, that's kind of going doughy. But then again, that's all that is flour and water. Is that all it is to make dough? Right, I think we need more water. So I can't do that with this hand. Although, I don't want to get... yeah, okay, I'll be back. Some more water's been added in. There we go, you know, blah 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 blah. It's really hard trying to hold the camera at the same time. I really need a tripod. Wow, this is getting sticky. It's getting sticky, and I think it still needs more water. Although they say the stickier it is, the more flour you need. So I might, you know, it might be difficult because I'm using just one hand to knead the dough. So let me come back after I've tried to knead it for a little bit more. I'll use both hands. So surprisingly, so far it's working. So, doughy hand. If you want to have a look, that's some good looking dough. So we need to now dust the work area. Oh yeah, dusty. Now I'm using a bit of greaseproof paper because, you know, good idea. And I just realised we don't have a rolling pin as far as I'm aware. That might be an issue. So now we need to cut the dough in half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera down again, and you'll be back in magic time when it's in half. Actually, we don't need to cut it. Yeah, we'll cut it in half. It looked just like the pizza I made back in Scotland. So we have the base. Now we need to get some sauce on the go, and then get some meat and some cheese. Oh, it's going to be delicious. We don't got no mozzarella, so I think what we're going to go for, maybe feta and cheddar, and we're going to put some sausage on it as well. Now this is only pizza one. There is another pizza to my right, so this is going to be good. Hopefully. Right, unfortunately I've just taken a photo instead of starting filming again. So, yeah, this pizza not looking as good. I had it on greaseproof paper, transferred it over. Yeah, and that kind of fucked it up. Sorry, excuse me. But it'll do. I still don't know how this is going to turn out. Will it stick to everything? Guess we'll find out. So all we need to add now, this is just going to be cheese. The other one has sausage on it. This is going to be a ton of cheese. What I might do is just top off the sausage one with more cheese. I think that should be enough. Now I know people are going to be screaming, why are you using cheddar? It's because that's the only thing I've got. I'd say top off the other one. There we go, that's all the cheese gone. Right, so we're going to put these bad boys in for 10 minutes, and that should be enough, and we'll see the result after. And there you go. Now, unfortunately, the lighting isn't making it look appetizing whatsoever, but trust me, it does look good. Still doesn't help whatsoever, but it looks pretty tasty. To me, anyway. Not a bad try for the first attempt. Alexa, stop. The crust is cooked. The whole thing is cooked. It does look a bit peely-wally. Oh yeah, the last thing you need to do is you gotta be Italian for 2 minutes while it cools down. You're gonna be like, babbity boobity babbity bee. So I can put a magic spell on it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.